Good morning friend. In last lecture we have discussed about the key related divisible. We have discussed the key of 2, 3, 5, 11 and 10. So divisible rule, divisible keys we have discussed in last lecture. Today we want to discuss with the playing with the numbers related with the general form. So today we are discussing about the general form that already you have learned in 6th standard, that how we can relate it general form. If I want to write 52, then what way I have to write that 5 into 2 plus 2. So 2 is fixed. If I write 73, then 7 into 10 plus 3. So 10 is a place value that we have to write. So general form related 2 digit is either 10a plus b or 10b plus a. It is a general form related 2 digit. Someone said that describe 2 digit general form. We can also write 10x plus y or 10y plus x, because we know that 10 is fixed every time. Only unit place and tens place digit is change. So standard form related with it, general formula for 2 digit. General formula for 2 digit is 10a, 10a plus b, where a and b, a is a tens place value and b is unit place value. Now when 3 digit is there, we can also write 3 digit. When 351 is there or 352, if I want to describe, then 3 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 2. So value of that is a, that is b and c. Tens value, 100 value and a unit place. So here it is a tens value, here it is a 100 value and here it is a unit value. So either we have to write that way or 3 different way we can write: first, second and third. In 2 digit number, there is a 2 ways: 2a plus b and 10a plus b, 10b plus a. That way we can describe. Here 3 digits are there, so we can write 10a plus 10b plus c. That is the first way. Second way, 10c plus 10a plus b. Third way, 100b plus 10c plus a. So 3 different way we can describe the number. So when 2 digit number are there, someone say write the 2 digit number. So we can say 25. So we can write 2 digit number 2 into 10 plus 5. If I will reverse it, then reverse, so 52. So 5 into 10 plus 2. But when 3 digit number is there, 312. So if I want to write 312, I can write reverse as a 2, 3, 1. I have to write 1, 2 and 3. 3 different way I can write this number. कोई पूछे 312 ने डिफरेंट वे थी लखो तो 312, 231 and 123. Now fourth way it is not possible. જેમ કે 2 digit number હોય તો 52, એનું રિવર્સ કરો તો 25. બસ only 2 digit. Here 312, 231, 123. So that is a standard form related with the 2 digit number, that is 10a plus b, or we can say 10b plus a. But related with the 3 digit number, we can write 3 different way. Now we have to express in standard form and usual form. So here write the generalized form. So if I want to write 25, so 2 into 10 plus 5. If I want to write 73, then 7 into 10 plus 3. That way we can write. Generally someone write 10 10 ને પહેલા પણ લખી શકાય ને 10 ને લાસ્ટમાં પણ લખી શકાય. So two different way we can write according to this book. We have to write 10 into 2 plus 5. It is also correct. 10 into 7 plus 3. It is also correct. Now 129 I have to write. Then 129 is equal to 100 into 1 plus 10 into 2 plus 9. So we can represent 129. 302. Then 100 into 3 plus 10 into 0 plus 2. That way we can write. Now usual form. So 10 into 5 plus 6. So 10 5s are, that is 50 plus 6, that is 56. 100 into 7 plus 10 into 1 plus 8. 100 into 7, that is 700. 10 into 1, that is 10 plus 8. So 7 1 8. Here 56, first answer, question number 2 I am discussing. Write the following in usual form. So usual form, that is 56 7 1 8. When generalized form is there, then we have to write 25 no answer. 10 into 2 plus 5, that is a generalized form. And usual form, this is our usual form. Now if I want to write this, then 100A plus 10C plus B. આનાથી બીજું વધારે કરી શકાય નહીં. So that is try that I have completed. Now game with number for 2-digit number. So that is important for us. I am explaining it here because we have game for 2-digit number. So 2-digit number, if it is number is 25, मान लो कि 25 number છે, reverse it. So and reverse करिए, then it is 52. Now add this. So 25 plus 52, answer is 77. It is always divided by 11, divisible by 11. You can take any 2-digit number. If you will take 72, reverse it. 72 to reverse, that is 27. Now if I will add 27 and plus, it is always divided by 11. 99 is divided by 11. Why it should be? How came through? That is, we have to understand how it is possible. So that we have to check. Because 2-digit number is, that is 10A plus B. 10A plus B, that is a original number. Original number. Now if I will reverse it, if I am reverse it, so place value, that is changed. So 10B plus A. So now if we add this, 10A plus B plus 10B plus A. If I will add this, then 11A plus 11B. So 11 is common. So A plus B. That is why it is divisible by 11. કોઈ પણ 2-digit number લ્યો, એને reverse કરી અને plus કરીએ તો always divisible by કેનાથી થતું હોય? 11 થી થતું હોય. That is why I am taking any number. You can take 25 or you can take 30, 32. If I will reverse is 23, so 55, that is divided by 11. Someone says 30 no ultu karo, so 03, so that is 33, again divided by 11. So when 2-digit number is there, original number and reverse number, if add this, it is always divisible by 11. Now if we have to subtract it, then what happened, that we have to see. Now 2-digit number is there and we have to subtract. So that is important for us. That now I have to write original number, that is 10A plus B, bracket over, minus 10b plus a. So if I will open this bracket, 10a plus b minus 10b minus a. 10a minus a, that is 10a minus a, that is 9a. b minus 10b, that is 9b. So 9 I have to take common, that is a minus b. So it is always divided by 9. If I will take any number, that is I will take 27. Now its reverse is 72. Original number ON is 27. Now if I will reverse, that is new number. If I will reverse it, that is 72. Now 72 minus 27. So 12. 12 minus 7, that is 5. Here it is 6. 6 minus 2, that is 4. So 45 is always divided by 9. You can take any number. If I will take 64. Now reverse, that is 46. So I have to subtract it. So 14 minus 6, that is 8. And here it is 5. 5 minus 4, that is 1. 18 is divided by 9. So that is a key related. When two-digit number, if reverse it, it is always, and add it, it is always divided by 11. And if subtract it, it is always divided by. So that is, we have to explain it here, revising two-digit number. So they are explaining it here with standard form, that is it is always divided by 11. So if here 27 is, check whether what result would you have seen in Sundaram and chosen the number given below. So 26 no reverse kariye, 26 no reverse 72. If I will add it, that is 99, it is always divided by 11. If I will take 39, reverse of is 93. If I will add it, then 132, it is always divided by 11. If I will take 64, opposite of is 46. If I will add it, always divided by 11. If 17 is there, reverse it, 71. 88, always divided by 11. Why it is possible? That already described it here. That Sundaram chosen the number A and B, which is in short form two-digit number, that is 10a plus b, and is reversing order, that is 10b plus a. If I will add it, 11 is common, so it is always divisible by 11. So always remember that. And if we subtract, then it is always divisible by 9. That is also explained it here. Whatever I am explained about, again it is at here. So if I will take 17, reverse is 71. 71 minus 17. So 11 minus 7, that is 11 minus 7, that is 4. And here it is 6. 6 minus 1, that is 5. 54 is divided by 9. 9 6. If it is 21 is there, reverse number is 12. Now if I will minus it, I will get answer 9. So it is divided by 9. If I will take 96, question in 96. Now reverse is, that is 69. Subtract it. So 16 minus 9, that is 7. Here 8. 8 minus 6, that is 2. Again divided by 9. So always remember that when two digit is there, if we reverse it and add, it is always divisible by 11. If we subtract it, reverse it, subtract, it is always divisible by 9. Now 3-digit number. So in 3-digit number, there is a two different way we can take, because here one question related with the 3-digit number. So 3-digit number, but don't tell me what the alright. Now that is divisible your answer by 99. I am sure that you will know remainder 0. Meenakshi chosen 3-digit number, that is 349. So she got 943. Reverse it. Now minus 943 minus 594. So 594 is divisible by 99. જેમ ઓલાની અંદર 90 હતું, અહીંયા કેનાથી ડિવાઈડ થશે 99, but smallest and largest. So if you will see 349, either I have to take 439 and 943. So biggest, or we can say largest and smallest number. So difference between largest and smallest number, it is always divisible by 99. That we can also check it here. Always remember. See now 132, I am taking 132. So biggest number is 231. That is largest 231. Again 321. So now 321 minus 132. So here it is 11 divided by 2, that is 9. Here it is again 11. So 1. Again I have to write 1. Again 11 divided by 11 minus 3, that is 8. Again here. So it is divided by, if we will say 9 something is mistake we are doing, again we have to do. What question is, you have to record that 132, okay, 132, so 231 and 132. If I will do like that, then 99, if you will see. So reverse it, 132, if reverse is 132, reverse karo to 231, minus karo, always divided by 9. 469, so 964 minus 469. 469. Nine six four minus 469. So 14 minus 9, that is 5. Again 5, that is 15. That is again 15 minus 6, that is 9. 8, that is 4. So it is divided by 99. 99 5s are. It is divided by 5. So when first number and reverse it, it is always divisible by 9. Why it is possible? Here it is given. So common is 99, that is why it is possible. Now some plus related 3-digit number. If I will add this 3-digit number, it is always divisible by 37. When you can take any 3-digit number, reverse it in 3 different ways. If I will take 132, then 231 and 321. If I will add this, it is always divisible by 37. That is over. That again, why it is possible? Because it is described at here. When you add this, it should be like that. A plus B plus 3 different way we are. So 37 into 3, which is divisible by 37. 37 into 3, that is 1. 9, that is 111. So 111 is there. So it is always divisible by 37. That is that way. If I here 417, so I will take 417, 714 and 147. If we add this, it is always divided by 37. Now we have to do the addition related. That is important for 8th standard student. If I want to add, what I have to add to get answer 1? So I have to write 8. So 8 plus 3, that is 11. Again carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 2. What I have to write to get 0? So I have to write 8. So that is 0. So 10, 8, 9 and 10. Again carry 1, 0. What I have to get 5? So 1 plus 3 plus 1 5. Again I am explain. આવું બધું એક્ઝામમાં પૂછાતું હોય. શું છે? સી Q we have to find out. So Q plus 3 is equal to 1. What I have to put to get 1? Okay, 8. 8 plus 3, that is 1. So I have to write 8. So here it is 8. Again, if whatever both are same, if you will see Q again. So if I write 8, I have to write 8 at here. So carry 1. So 10, again carry 1 to get 5. So that is one of the puzzles that you can also. Now this is important. Of A. Either I have to take 0, but here it is not possible. So there are two things, either 0 or 5, whose unit place is same. If 0 multiplied by any number, unit place is same. If 0 multiplied by or 5 multiplied by 5, always unit place is 5. So either I have to take 5 or 0. If I am writing 5, then 5 is 15, carry 1, that is 1. So I think the answer must be 0 or 5, but we cannot take 0, so we have to take 5. So here 5 is there, so 15 is there. Now if we will see the exercise first, that is the addition form. So you can do it this yourself. For what you will get, 2 is there, so 5, what I have to write? 7. Why I have to write 7? 7 plus 5, that is 12, carry 1. So that is 5 and 6. So value of A, that is 7, and value of B, that is 6. Same thing at here. What I have to write? A to get 3. What I have to write at here? 5. Because 5 plus 8, that is 13. So here it is carry 1. So that is 10 and 14 carry 1. So addition we can get it easily, but multiplication it is difficult for us. So first of all we have to do the addition. Same thing you see now. What I have to write to get A, same at A here. So if I will write same number, that is important for us. If you will see properly, I am writing from 0 to, if I will write 0, then 0 plus 7, that is 7. Here 7, 7 7 is 49. So we have to get 6A. So there is one more example related with it, that is 2-digit number. Okay, so 2-digit numbers are not, multiplication form is given. Okay, so that we have completed, that we have to complete it. Again what I have to write here? 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25. You will see 5 into 5 into 5, then here 2, then 2. So it is not possible. Then what I have to write? 6, 6 and 6. Why I have to select like that? Because 16 6 are 96. So unit place again it is same. So if you will take 6 at here, 6 6 is 36, 6. So that way you can calculate. So more sums are there. Next lecture may be possible that I have to describe this, and still remaining last exercise we have discussed only one sum. So in next lecture, or we have to try it ourselves.